Guru
Yes.
2 days ago you were saying that first one should surrender,
How can you surrender?
then he can hear. First surrender to the Guru. So that surrender is not the same surrender that you were talking about. It's not the sixfold Sharanagati. It's a first preliminary surrender, right?
Preliminaries. Put complete faith on Saddha. You understand?
That is not the Sharanagati, full Sharanagati.
No. That's Sharanagati and Krishna.
That is the end.
Yeah. You understand? That means putting faith in his words. That is one type of surrender. You understand?
That surrender gives you the adhikar to hear. That's full
Adhikar,
surrender.
yeah, gives right to hear. Otherwise, if you have no faith, you can't hear. The authority never enter into your ears. You have respect for him. You understand? You have faith in his words. So with them do attitude, surrender. Attitude you are hearing. Surrendering attitude. You understand? This is purport, taatparya. Understand me? This is purport, taatparya. Dust. चलो हरे गोविंद भगवत कथा निगम कल्पतर गणितम फलम.
Ripened fruit.
Yes, most ripe and sweetest nectarian juicy fruit. निगम कल्पतर सुख मुखादमत द्रव संजीव पीबत भागवत रसमालयम full of juice. Rasa, melon. Yes.
Strong medicine.
Such Bhagavata is such Bhagavad Katha is like this. Yes.
On our stage it is medicine. Then after it becomes sweeter and sweeter, right?
Yeah. Yes, it's everything. Shunatang Sagata Kṛṣṇa Punya Savanti Hudyasto Hiva Brani Vidunati Sava. If you hear putting full faith, surrendering attitude from the Vaishnava, that will cleanse your heart. Oh, that. Isn't it? The heart will be purified. Yes, medicine. Yes, it is everything. Somehow or other, you just hear. Open your ear. Just first requisite is surrendering attitude, humble attitude. With humble attitude, putting complete faith, hear it. Sadhu says,
Without duplicity.
without duplicity, just hear. Yes.
Without duplicity means that you agreed to apply the teaching at once.
Yeah. You are greedy. You are greedy. That I say, Lobha, gopīs say, oh, what sort of human being you are? You are so distressed. Your heart is burning. You are glorifying us. Most unfortunate we are. So distressed we are glorifying us. If a thirsty person, acute thirst is there, he needs cold water. What he needs, give him. So, our heart is burning that heat, fire of separation. We are glorifying us. That by putting ghee into fire, making it more blessed. Then say, here, for me, I come with the message, loving message. What loving message? Tell us how immediately we can get it. Then this burning heart, this fire will be extinguished. You understand?
That greed was.
That's great. Yeah.
Intense greed.
Intense.
How we can get that greed, Maharaj?
Huh?
How we can get that greed?
One is a greedy person, associated with a greedy person. Get his mercy. He's greedy.
Now, you said that the curse
Turned out blessing.
turns out a blessing.
Yes.
Now, I have been cursed to become a president in France.
Yes, that's the blessing.
It means to be away from your lotus feet.
That's the blessing.
Will that turn into blessing?
Definitely.
How it will be?
How it will be? Don't think how.
How it will be?
Consequently, you'll feel so. You'll have so. That's the consequence. Consequence.
That will increase my greed?
Yes. Definitely. That will increase your greed. Yes. Yeah. Becoming president means you'll get so much kicks. He'll come hit you, he'll come hit you, then you'll cry, then you'll get. Yes.
I have that blessing from you.
This is crying is needed. I say, crying is needed. Yes. Gopis are crying. Oh, yes. Unless one cries, I say,
You won't get.
Uddhava thought, how can I say, hey, don't cry. No, now I could realize and say, no, cry more. Don't you hear it? I said. Huh?
Yeah, once you said nobody got it without crying for it.
Yes. Without crying, nobody can get Krishna. Then you have to cry. That's blessing. Understood?
I was thinking I was getting cheated. Because you said one gets what he deserves. And one who deserves cheating, he will get cheating. So I thought, oh, Gurudev is speaking sweet words, but actually he's cheating me.
That is a misunderstanding. Not correct understanding. Anyhow, Supreme cheating is also very good. Brahman, they cheated Bali. Not real cheating. So much. Radhani, in her delirium, transformed madness, delirium said this thing. Oh, Uddhava, oh, bumblebee, your master. That's Syama, huh? All Syama black fellows, unreliable fellows, unreliable. Nobody should put lions on there. Your master Mathurapati now is the master of Mathura. Such unreliable now, he has put us in such condition. We are burning. Huh? Isn't it? We gave up everything for him. Huh? Left us. Isn't it?
So cheating can also be blessing.
Left us. Unreliable. He's Syama. And in Ramavatar, Ram is also Syama. He did such things. Cut off the nose and ears of Surpanakha, merciless activity, cruel. Killed such. Bali, the king of the monkeys, hiding himself. Yes, he's also Syam. He's also black is you, bluish, brown. And this Brahman also Syam. Yeah. The son of Kashyapa and Aditi, this Brahman is also Syam, also is black as you. You understand? All right. Ram is Kshatriya. Killing is his activity. But is a brahmachari. Brahman is brahmachari. Yeah, brahmachari. So peaceful, so nice. What he did? Cheated Bali. Put into such punishment. So tiny pit. It became so great to come everything with 2 feet, whole possession, 3 words. This is the wrong with this Shyam Varna. You follow my language? This is wrong with this Shyam Varna. Don't speak about Shyam.